PVC or vinyl fencing is a great choice if you're looking for lightweight, weather resistant, and easy to install fencing. But just like any other fencing, it will get dirty. But one of the best features is that it can look brand new after a thorough cleaning. So how exactly do you clean a PVC fence? Well, let's find out. Hey there, I'm Christina with Backyardscape, where we share tips and ideas to make your backyard your favorite hangout spot. So make sure you subscribe so you get all the latest videos. Here are the 8 different ways that you can clean a PVC fence. Number 1 is to spray down a PVC fence with a garden hose. Sometimes just spraying the hose might be all that you need to get your fresh fence looking shiny again. And since this is the easiest method and it requires the least elbow grease, you want to start with that first. Number 2, use a magic eraser. Have you seen those magic erasers by Mr. Clean? You can spray it down to get it all wet the magic eraser thoroughly, start scrubbing the fence area. You might want to do a top-down approach, then rinse off the eraser when it gets dirty or remove the dirty spots, then do it again. You can repeat this process as often as it takes to get the pesky grass stains off. Number 3 is to use dish soap and non-abrasive sponge. If you don't want to use the harsh chemicals to clean your fence, but you need more power, then dish soap can be a great alternative, particularly Dawn. But make sure you use a non-abrasive sponge or a rag on the fence that can damage and scratch. Number 4, you can use vinegar for a new looking fence. A stronger, more environmentally friendly approach is by using vinegar to clean the fence. Vinegar will kill mold and mildew effectively without any harsh chemicals. And vinegar is often overlooked when thinking about cleaning products, but it does pack a punch. It can also help give the fence a brand new look. Number 5 is to use mineral spirits on tough fence stains. And some people swear by them due to the fact that they can remove really tough grease and tire marks. It's a cheap option if you happen to have some lying around in the garage. So you want to make sure that you wear the proper protective equipment because mineral spirits can cause mild to severe irritation. Now, note, because mineral spirits can be quite strong, you want to do a patch test first in an area that won't get noticed as easily. Make sure that the spirits don't damage the surface of the fencing before you go all in. Number 6 is to buy a ready-to-use fence cleaner. There are countless cleaners out there and detergents that you can pick up at your local Home Depot or Lowe's, and they all get the job done as well. Just be careful when choosing cleaners because anything with acetone can damage the fence, so just double check with the ingredients. Number 7 is to use a power washer for extra dirty fences. So if nothing else has worked, then let's go ahead and bring out the big guns. You can use a power washer to get rid of those pesky stains. You can also use a detergent with the power washer. You'll always want to use caution when operating the power washer, simply because they can be dangerous if operated improperly. They can also damage the surface of your fence or a toe or a hand because the PSI can be really high. In general, you probably want a PSI of around 1,000 to 1,500 for light duty jobs and between 2,000 and 3,000 PSI for heavier jobs that you need. Number 8 is to use bleach with caution on a PVC fence. Bleach can work well for cleaning algae, mildew, and stubborn stains, but you want to make sure that you're cautious when using the bleach because you need to dilute it to avoid damaging the fence. Now, remember that this is only for white fences. If you use bleach on a non-white fence, then that can cause the white stains unless you dilute it well enough. If you're going to try bleach on a PVC that is anything but white, then you definitely want to do a patch test first. And now watch this video next as I cover 11 different horizontal fence ideas for your backyard, and I'll see you over there.